Hi, I'm Ricardo from the Conexa team. My other teammates are Edis and Emad. So, what did we build? The problem we were given is that you go to an event, but networking is completely random. You have to psych yourself up to go up to someone, ask them who they are. You talk maybe only to the people around you, and you don't really make a lasting connection and remember people and achieve your goals of why you even went to the event for networking, right? So, we decided to build Conexa. We, with Conexa, we try and solve bias, shyness, and social cost. People just looking at titles and companies rather than the actual intent of why the other participants are there, and the fact that there's no infrastructure for following up. So let's get started. You can sign in with Google. Here we have first of all, a pulse intro where you can set up one perfectly curated intro done by an AI agent. You just tell it who you want to meet, what you can offer, and what type of intro you want. Here we have a Tinder-style swipe deck where you can swipe people, and as you can see, you don't see their company, you don't see their picture, you don't see their name, unless you match. This way, you find people who are actually useful for you, and you are useful for them, and it's not just based on prestigious companies and things like this. So you can swipe a bit, and you match, and it brings you straight to our messaging screen. Next, we also have a digital concierge. This is an AI agent with some tool use, so we can search through the database of participants. For example, who's working on fintech, and in the background that's going to search and find that. We also have a system for QR connections. As you can see here, then you can fill out, click people, message them. If you want to connect with someone, you can scan to connect with their QR code, which if you go to the site, you can demo, and then it'll mark people as connected. For example, I've connected with Edis. You can also make personal notes about people, and then, of course, message to organize a meetup. In general, you can also see the event dashboard, see people you know who are here already. We envision this as a platform you can use across multiple events. You can then, of course, set up your own profile as well. And yeah, we hope that with this, we can make events more useful for making lasting and useful networking connections. We also have a follow-up system where it will email you and give you a Spotify wrapped recap of who you met at the event and what percent of connectors you're in. And it'll email you with follow-ups reminding you to continue your newfound professional or friendship connections.